is a Sunday and I'm currently here in BGC. I just arrived here and I am happy to announce to you guys that I'm a mom now. I'm a fur mom of a male cat and I called him Habibi. Hi Habibi, you're such a good boy, honey bunch. Ayan, it's his first time to go out with me and I am really excited to share this experience with you guys with my cat. Such a good boy. So it's drizzling now, but at least I'm lucky enough to arrive first before it rains. And yeah, it's actually raining. By the way guys, I am going to Jardin Cafe. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but yeah, that's where I'm going with my cat. Supposed to be we are going to have a coffee outdoor, but it's raining. I don't know if it's a good idea, so let's see. It's still drizzling, but I don't have an umbrella. What's with the long queue? What is that?